I want to give you some advice as somebody that coaches thousands of the world's greatest salespeople, and I think I'm a pretty great salesperson myself. If you want to be successful, if you want to hit your numbers, if you want to crush your goals, you've got to stop comparing yourself up to the other salespeople in the organization. I don't care who your top performer is. I could give a rat's ass what Todd did in Q4 of 2008. Stop comparing yourself to those people. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you install the right sales process and create some solid daily habits, you're going to destroy every record that's ever happened in the history of your company. So stop comparing yourself to them and start thinking about what is my unlimited potential. Also, stop comparing yourself down. I don't care if you sold more than Todd last month. I don't care if Heather sold half of what you did the month before. What they're doing has no impact or bearing on what you're doing and what you're capable of. Stop comparing yourself up and stop comparing yourself down, and let's make you great.